Hello, fellow creators and ladies and gentlemen. This is my homemade O-gauge Lego locomotive. And this locomotive here for the track, the chassis between the wheels are like 3 studs wide. I used a motor with a worm gear on it to make contact with this gear right here so it could drive all the wheels here. And everything here was all homemade by me. It was all made by completely by Lego. Some pieces have been hot glued here and there. These wheels are not Lego, by the way. This is just wheels I found in my junk bin right there. And these wheels here are Lego brand wheels for Lego locomotives and steam trains and stuff. And so by the way, I used 2 rail O-gauge track. I made this by myself, and they are still O-gauge. I used wooden pegs for sleepers and stuff. And not only that, I prefer DC track because Lionel tubular 3-rail track is for AC current. AC current will not work with this. I will need a rectifier with that. But I do not have those types of resources or those types of electric components. So I decided to convert this whole track, remove the rails from the original sleepers, and made this into 2-rail track, which will be positive and negative. I'll give you guys a test run of this thing running. Alright, for this test, I'm going to be using a 9V battery.